Hello, this is Monica from Unique Designs by Monica, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create this leaf or tree that you can put on any card for whatever season that you would like to send this for, using nothing more than basic shapes. So let's get started. So what I'm going to use first is going to be a heart. Now I know that I don't implement a heart too often, so it's kind of nice that I actually get to use it in this tutorial. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it, and I'm going to create a teardrop. Now this is perfect for if you're making a raindrop or for a leaf, a tree. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to try this to get this as oval, as cylindrical. I never seem to find the right words for what I want to say. In any case, I have my shape. This is the shape that I wanted to originally get. Now I'm going to just elongate this so you guys can see it better. Now, if I was going to put this on a card, obviously I would resize it. So for now, this is the basis of my card, right? Well, the basis of my image. So I'm going to just duplicate this in the event that anything should happen to my original work. All right, now I'm going to be doing the branch or the trunk of the spine of my tree or leaf. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just grab myself a square and a rectangle and turn it into a rectangle. Now I'm going to grab myself a circle. Let me just get a little close here so I can see what I'm doing. And I'm going to just have this go from point to point, like so. Now you can do the same thing on the bottom, but I think it looks pretty nice the way it looks right now. And weld. Alright, I'm going to take this same shape, and all I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut it. Instead of doing it all over again, I'm just going to cut it to the shape that I need. And I'm going to slice. All right, I don't need any of this. I'm going to just tilt it ever so slightly to however I want this. Now I'm going to make this a little thinner, so I'm going to take this off and then duplicate it and then flip it. Now I'm not going to weld this just yet. I'm going to take these two, duplicate it again, and I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. Now by doing that, the branch or the leaf spine will get a little thicker. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to even that out to make it look just like this here on the top. Duplicate it again. I'm going to make it bigger, and of course I'm going to do the same thing I did before. Bring it in. All right. All I need to do now, hopefully this works. If not, then I'm just going to go back to what I was doing. Nope. I'm just going to leave it like that and weld. There we go. Now we have our the branch here that is going to go right here. Now that I have my little teardrop, my little spine, I'm going to give it some dimension, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this in half. And by doing that, I'm just going to grab myself a square, elongate it, and I'm going to slice. And I only need one side, which is going to be this right here. This is probably the simplest shapes that you can probably do. Now, say if it's spring and you want to, not spring, summer, I should say. Let's do a nice green leaf. Let's do the secondary a little lighter. And I'm going to put this right on top. Nice green summer leaf or tree. And change this to a nice brown and put this right on top. Bring it to the front. There you go. You got yourself a nice multi-colored leaf or tree. And it does give it dimension, especially when you cut it out on, cardstock. Perfect. So now let's do fall. We're going to do a nice bright orange color, and then the base color is going to be a nice dark orange. Oop. Somehow I meant to grab the whole thing. And then winter, obviously, and let's do spring right over here. So for winter, all I'm doing is just grabbing some white and a bit of gray. Or if you don't want anything to be on your leaf or branch, you just take it off. Either way, it looks pretty good. But I kind of like the little dimension of what you get here for winter. And for spring, let's do pink and a nice little darker pink. There you go. You got 4 seasons right here. Did I have another season or was it just 4? Yep, that's it. There you go. That was the simplest and quickest tutorial that I could teach you on how to create a leaf or a tree using nothing more than basic shapes. Thank you so much for stopping on by. If you like what you see, hit that like button. If you don't want to miss a tutorial, because I post every Wednesday and Saturday, hit that subscribe button and the little bell to get notified. Share this with your friends to see if they like to learn how to create this with the Cricut design space using nothing more than basic shapes. Thank you so much for stopping on by. Have a beautiful day. Bye.